Okay, today we're going to talk about Canva Magic Design. It used to be a tab over here on the left hand side, but it kind of moved and got meshed in with the different features that Canva has. So one way you can get to Magic Design is you can go to canva.com/magic hyphen design. And when you go here, it's going to open into a new page. And if you want to design images, you're going to type in at least 5 words here and it's going to create an image. Now, free and pro have access to this. It's just that the free version, you have a limited number of magic designs across images, videos, audios, and presentation. So let's say I want to create an image of a graduation tumbler um, with the colors orange and blue. Helps if we spell orange correct. And graduation. What you can see down bottom, they also give you suggestions for Instagram posts, color schemes, a product showcase. So you type in what you want. You click generate and let's see what we get. So here we have tumblers. We also have graduations. But the first thing that came up was graduation tumblers. All right. Here it is here. You can also click create design. And here it should give you something unique. But what Canva also does is it gives you suggestions based on your descriptions of what you want. And it's usually the first couple. So the first two fit my description. It is AI, so you got to kind of weed through what you want and what you don't. So while this is finalizing, you'll also be able to, and here we go. What I was looking for, orange and blue. I wasn't specific about the class of 2024, but it's done. You click and it goes into your project. That's using canva.com magic design. But if you go back to your home page, and let's say you want to create a presentation, I click on presentation. And again, it says generate design. This is magic design. So I want a slide presentation about a product launch spell it right of my, let's see, 2026 graduation tumblers. All right, we're going to do generate design. But before it gives me the one that I asked, you have product launch presentation slides down here that you can go through and see which ones you like and edit as you like. As you also see, this is a product launch with 17 pages. You don't need all 17 pages. You can just go and get the ones you want. So here is a 6-page Tumblr presentation that I asked for. And as you can see, let's put this over here. Here is create videos. So we're going to come down here. We're going to add a page, type. We're going to go to video. Let's just do a landscape video. And over here, we want to do video showcasing 3 different tumblers. And if you can see right here, when you upload media, I can upload images of the 3 different tumblers I want. But let's see what kind of video this will generate for me. So here we have a video that's showcasing 3 pocketbooks. And what I can do is I can just edit this and I can insert, delete, not add. I can go in and I can add my tumblers. All right. So if I had the tumblers ready to go, I can upload it in there. All right. So this is Magic Design. You can go to canva.com/magic-design and you can edit images. You can go, when you go into your elements, you can also describe here. I want a tumbler, red and black. with 2026 on it. You can also generate an image right in the type of element that you're looking for. That works for presentations, that works for video, those three things. Free, you have a limited number of design magics that you can ask for, but pro, it is unlimited. So let's just see, what is this last image that they gave us in red and blue? It's going to be a photograph. And if you have the free version, you can always pick price and pick free when you're looking for elements. But we are going to create our own, which we can do. If you run out of but what's good about this is created right in Canva. So here I have this. I can remove my background and I can just plop it right into the video that was shown. Here's another one. Remove the background. I always like the shadowing on events. It makes it looks authentic. And get rid of this pocketbook. And we have this straight one. I'm going to remove the background, shrink it down, and then you can just continue to edit. And this was created with Magic Design. Thank you so much for listening, and you have a crafty day.